Hi everyone! Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another motivational cleaning video. Today I have an express clean with me focusing on the bathroom. We're going to be doing an organize, clean, declutter, the works in the bathroom, but it's going to be an express speed clean with me, so the video will only be around 10 minutes long, so you can watch it, get motivated, and then jump in and clean your own bathroom. I first started by taking everything out from the upper cabinets and the under the sink cabinets so I could give it a really good thorough deep clean and just assess how I wanted to restack the organizers and what I actually wanted to keep in there. Now, as you can see from this clip, the underside of the shelf in the cupboard under the sink was in a pretty gross state. Maybe from sliding out containers with products in there, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, toothpaste, who knows what was on that shelf, but I made sure to give it a really nice deep clean, and maybe a tip or a reminder for you to check and clean under the shelves in your bathroom too. Now, when I was doing my assessment, I realized that I didn't need two shallow shelves. I needed one that was much deeper to hold my first aid tin. This is an old craft tin that I picked up from Kmart many years ago, and I've just repurposed it as a first aid kit. With the shelf in, it was too high to be able to fit, so I just popped the shelf on the floor, replaced the pins at the back so I could put it back when we move out, and now I have cabinet space that is able to hold the things that I actually want to store in my bathroom. Now we've done a bit of a declutter and organize of the things that I want to keep in the bathroom. A little rearrange sometimes is all you need. We're going to crack on with the cleaning. So just starting with cleaning all the gross things like the bin and the toilet brush holder with some disposable antibacterial wipes. I'm then going to use it's actually a cloth nappy, which I use for all of my really dirty cleaning tasks or really messy spills around the house. And I'm just giving the toilet a dry dust. If you have a dusty house, I would definitely recommend before going in with wet cleaners to dust off your toilet. Otherwise, when you spray the wet cleaners on, it's just going to turn that dust layer into sort of a sludge. And you definitely don't want that because it makes cleaning the toilet 1,000 times harder. Now that the toilet is nice and clean, we are going to give the floor a quick vacuum before doing any wet cleaning. If you've got any dust or any hair or anything on the floor, you want to get rid of that and take care of it before you start any wet cleaning. That way, if you drip any water from cleaning the shower or the bath, the hand basin or vanity, it's not going to drip onto a dusty floor that might have hair on it and make it an even worse mess to clean up. If you have glass shower doors like me, a little tip is to pop a cleaning bottle or something like that to stop the door from opening past the shower frame while you're cleaning it. It just holds it in place and makes it much easier to clean. I'm using my new IKEA cleaning set that I recently purchased. I did a whole review video on this. If you're interested, I'll leave that linked in the description below. But I really love anything that's got a telescopic handle on it to make really easy task of scrubbing shower screens or scrubbing down the tiles in your shower recess. This dusting attachment was also part of the IKEA cleaning set, as was this textured microfiber cleaning cloth and scrubby pad as well. They're brilliant for cleaning the bathroom and they've quickly become my new favorite cleaning products. I had noticed that the frame around the shower screen had gotten really dirty with some built up grime on it. So I just went in with that textured microfiber cleaning cloth, the one from IKEA, and it made really light work of getting rid of all of the grime that was around the bottom of the shower screen. And if you have one of these shower screens, you'll know it just accumulates so much gunk, but it was a breeze to clean. Now I'm just giving the shower a quick rinse down, and because we live in Australia and all our bathrooms have floor drains, I'm giving a nice wet mop to the bathroom. So I kind of hose it down with the shower hose, making sure that I can get into every nook and cranny to get all of the dust, all of the dirt all out, and then I just spray on some cleaner and then give it a scrub with my wet mop squeegee that I picked up from Bunnings a few years ago. And then I just squeegee all the dirty water straight down the drain. This is the easiest way to give your bathroom floors a really good thorough clean. It gets all the dust, all the dirt out from all those bits that you might miss with a normal mop. And it's great to give it a nice, really deep disinfecting clean. I use floor cleaner and some Pino Clean disinfectant. And that way I feel like it's just getting super, super clean. Now I'm just taking the IKEA telescopic handle with the floor mop head, but I've attached a mop pad from an old mop that I used to have that handle broke, and you can just fit it on because it's got a Velcro type attachment. And I'm just using that mop pad to dry down the shower screens and the tiles inside. And again, it just makes really quick work of giving your bathroom a nice dry down after you've cleaned it. I'm just using that same mop pad on the IKEA handle with some Method floor cleaner, just to give a double mop to the floor. This also helps to dry up any leftover water that is missed from the squeegee. Next up, I'm using the same IKEA telescopic handle, and I'm just popping on a disposable antibacterial wipe, and I'm going to use this with some cleaner on it just to give the doors a nice clean. If you've got kids, you know, when they've got sticky or dirty hands going in and out of the doors, they can quite easily get messed up, and you don't actually notice how dirty they are until you start getting up close and personal and giving them a good clean. And again, this just makes very quick work of a task that you might otherwise put off because you think that it will take too long or it'll be too hard. And just like that, we are done with the cleaning of the bathroom. It is now just time to pop everything back, do some final rearranging, a little bit of organizing, and then it'll be time for the final reveal of my organized, decluttered, and cleaned bathroom. And now I think this has got to be one of my favorite parts of any cleaning task. It is washing the cleaning cloth at the end because it means the cleaning is over, it is done. I always wash my cleaning cloth separately in hot water, and then I add usually some disinfectant, but I had this antibacterial laundry detergent to add into it as well. I also usually clean the really dirty cloths that I use to clean around the toilet, particularly my boys' toilet. And if you've got boys, you'll know why. I just don't like mixing that toilet dirt with other cloths that you might use to clean, say, your kitchen sink, for example. I do a dirty cleaning cloth wash, and then I do a regular cleaning cloth wash. So guys, that is it for my motivational cleaning video, Express Bathroom Clean with me. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me, and I hope you've gotten motivated, inspired to go and clean your own bathroom. Honestly, it does not take as long as you think it will take. As long as you just get in there, get it done as quickly as possible. And the feeling of a fresh, clean bathroom is like nothing else. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. Have a fabulous weekend, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.